Reality is, for any investor in the world, when you look at US, other than the magnificent 4 now, not even the 7, everything is in the rearview mirror. You look at Europe, nothing's going to happen. Japan, nothing's going to happen. China is already facing its own problem. So Larry Summers had this very lovely line. He said, Japan is a hospital, Europe is a museum, China is a jail. Where do you invest in the world? To paraphrase what he was saying. So if this is a $4 trillion GDP economy, which is almost inevitably going to be 10, 15, 20 over the next 10, 20 years, you would be stupid anywhere in the world to not come and make some allocation here. Today we are 3% of global allocation. If this country has to become 10, and I don't think we debate that, it's a matter of when it will happen, it's not if. For the other countries, it's a problem of if now. So yes, things can go wrong over here. Oil can go to 120 next year. There can be a war. China can go into Taiwan. He can go into Arunachal. He can go anywhere.
Let me ask you one more thing.
Can you delay the inevitable?
Do you think, I mean, in next 12 months, 18 months, the corporate, because you are at 22, 23 times trade. I'm just asking, Manish.
I can react to that then. So
yeah.
We did
listen to my question first.
I understood where you're coming. The question is, where is the... We had this lovely forward, I think some friends of, common friends with Nilesh, and he said if you toss a coin on a daily basis, your odds are 50-50. When you do the investment return on a 3-month basis, you may at best be 60-40. When you do it on your 1-year basis, it becomes 75-25 in your favor. If you do on a 3-year basis, you become 90-10. So to answer the question, a short run, this year, for the index, I don't think more than 5 or 10%. That's my view. We are expensive, no doubt about it. But if we are indeed so bullish, we think it gets to $5 and $10 trillion over the next 5 and 10 years respectively, the size of profit pool will be so large that we are concerned with companies that we sit on. I don't buy the index, neither do you. And all we are doing is we are buying odds that is it priced for perfection for everything, or are there pockets available to me where I can invest? And then for each person who says, I can supply and depress the market, please remember my friend Manish is also here, who's just raised another big private equity fund. He keeps bringing fabulous companies then to the market. Just as an example, you got, I think, AU, Manyavar, all these fabulous companies to the market. You are part of that as well. So one side there is supply of old, and other side there is supply of new, and there's reason to be optimistic about it. That's all. I can't be a blind bull like our old friend Rakesh, that at all time, 360 days, we are bullish. It is tempered. The valuations are not cheap, no doubt about it. But if you take a longer term view, and when I look back, 30 years in my case, we were $275 billion GDP. We are at 4 trillion today. The size of profit pool of India was what? What was our foreign exchange reserves? Where are we today? So, I mean, whenever you are in doubt, like in global financial crisis, you wake up in the morning, slap yourself, think of the problem of a rich uncle in the world, but hold on to your portfolio. I know we are trying hard to find bearish things, but maybe we'll ask Samir and any bearish reasons for... But, well, the reality, what he says, right, that when we are also optimistic, the prices are reflecting that. So we're confident about the economy, we're confident about corporate sector, we're confident about our savers, but this price is representing a cheery consensus. That is also there. If something very bad, unexpected happens, it can cause a sharp sell-off, but I still think this becomes a buy the dip market rather than a sell the rallies.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.